I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I know how to play your thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Ray. Today is just going to be an at-home vlog because I don't have any plans on going anywhere. It's Saturday and we've had a pretty busy week. We've been in and out of this house all week long with doing different activities. So I really need to clean this house, organize the house as much as possible because tomorrow we have another thing that we're going to, and my mom's coming here to babysit, and I need to clean it to at least it's like up to my mom's standards, because if not, I'm gonna hear about it. Baby's in the kitchen watching cartoons if you hear that in the background. Before we get into this video, I wanted to touch on something that I've talked about in my TikToks recently, which is about milk production, breast milk production. I suffer from extremely low milk production, and for a while it caused me to be like really sad and depressed about it, but now I'm actually super grateful because I never thought that I was going to be able to produce at all because I had a breast reduction a couple years ago, so I didn't know if I was going to be able to produce at all. So I'm grateful that I am able to produce the little amount that I am able to put out. Mom Cozy sent me these portable breast pumps to try out. I've been using my breast pump for a little over a week now, and I can honestly say this is a huge difference from the breast pumps that I was using. Actually, let me show you the ones that I was using. So this was the portable breast pump that I was using. I got this off of Amazon. It's like it has this little piece here which keeps stores the milk, and then it has the motor that clicks on top of it like this. These are cool, but honestly they're kind of annoying because this motor part pops off so easily. So if you're using this like in your shirt and walking around the house, this piece can fall off very easily. It's kind of annoying. They're cool, they work, they do what they're supposed to do, but this is the portable breast pump that Mom Cozy sent me. They sent me 2 of these, and I can honestly say that it is a complete difference. First of all, the design of the breast pump itself is so sleek and so cute. Like, this is where the milk is stored. Mine looks a little foggy because I keep these in the fridge for a couple days in between my pumps. I do not clean them every single day because breast milk is good in the fridge for a few days. So I just stick this part in the fridge for at least like maybe 3 days, and then I wash it. And then this is the motor piece, and the motor attaches like this. So it's hooked in there like that. That's not going to come off while I'm using it. So this is the beauty of this breast pump. That's one of the beauties of this breast pump versus the other one that I was using. Also, the suction on this, I feel like I'm able to get more milk out using this because the suction power on this is way better than the other portable pump that I was using. I would highly recommend trying these out if you are breastfeeding, or if you plan to breastfeed or pump exclusively. I would highly recommend that you try out this the Mom Cozy portable breast pumps. Somebody's in the kitchen getting a little antsy, so let me get back in here, let me clean the kitchen, let me spend time with Cassius, because before you know it, he been dipped off and went back to dreamland, because this baby is growing fast and he needs all his naps. So let's see what he's doing in here. Did Mommy put you down there? Why are you all the way down here? What are you doing? You want to lay down or do you want to sit up? Which one you want to do? Do you want to lay down? Okay, let's switch you around here. That's some good baby right there. You looking at the cartoon? Mommy gonna sit you back up so I can clean the kitchen, okay? You gonna sit up and watch cartoons? Baby, here you go. There you go. You can see it in his eyes. He's about to be asleep in a second. Okay, I'm about to attach my breast pump and clean this mess of a kitchen. breast pump just ran out of battery. So let's see how much we were able to get out. Do you see this? Like when I say I suffer from low breast milk production, this is what I mean. Now I have been pumping for an hour, pretty much. Both boobs, half an hour. And this is what I was able to get. And when I tell you this amount is such an accomplishment for me. Usually my breast production is close to nothing. Nothing. I'll get like a few drops out and that's it. But look, it's actually moving. There is a full breast milk puddle in here. I don't know how happy this makes me. I know some of y'all probably like, girl, what? That is so sad, because I'm sure you've seen girls online pouring like pitchers full of breast milk. I wish, but I am not gonna complain. I am so grateful. So I'm gonna take my little amount that God blessed me with, and I put it into this little tube and put it in the fridge. And all I do is add this to my baby's milk when it's time to feed him. Breast milk has so many nutrients, antioxidants, antibodies, all the things that mama makes for our babies. He needs this. So we thank God for all of the accomplishments. No matter how big or how small, I'm grateful. What time is it? It's 11:30. I'm trying to wait until noon to eat. Trying to do a little intermittent fasting. We've been on keto for the month of July, sort of, and I'm ready to give up because I hate doing keto. Like, I seriously hate doing keto. I'm always miserable on it. I've lost more weight by doing portion control and being in a caloric deficit than doing keto. But I promised my man I would do keto with him this month, so I've been doing it with him. But honestly, y'all, I've been struggling. Let's go see. Cassius, if he don't see me for a while, he start to get a little upset. So let me get back in here with him, and then I'm gonna come back and make some lunch. I think I got some chicken wings in there. Oh, that sounds good. I think I'll make me some hot wings because it is keto. Just put baby down for a nap. If you hear a bunch of noise in the background, 2 of my neighbors are having parties. So it's so crazy how my version of fun has changed ever since I became a mom. Now, I was already becoming this person before having my son, but I am just like not the club girl anymore. I'm not really the turn up girl anymore. I like peace. I like quiet. I like nature walks, going to the zoo, going to the museum, going to the aquarium, having a nice dinner, maybe a nice bar. I love comedy shows. Like, I'm just not the club friend. I'm not the turn up friend anymore. 2 days ago, we took Cassius to the zoo for the first time. And when I tell you, I had so much fun. A lot of the things that you do as a parent while your babies are small, it's like more for your enjoyment than theirs, because they don't know what the heck is going on. He just happy to be with his mommy and daddy, but we had such a good time. We really did, and I keep thinking about it. Yeah, being a stay-at-home mom, I've seen like girls talk about it on TikTok, how being a stay-at-home mom gets lonely. And yeah, it gets lonely because you're at home all day with just you and the baby, and a lot of times your friends don't really think of you. It's kind of a hard truth, but a lot of times your friends don't think of you because they're off living their lives, and you're a parent now, so like your worlds are completely different. Do I miss my life before being a mom? Not really, because I feel like I've crossed over into this other chapter, this new version of myself. Sometimes I do miss missing things. Like this weekend, some of my friends are in Mexico for one of my friends' birthday, and of course I couldn't go because I'm needed here. Cassius is too small right now for me to just leave. So, I missed out on that. That sucks, but there'll be other trips and everything. I mostly just try to keep myself occupied. I have some new projects that I'm going to start working on. And yeah, just keep my mind occupied, work on losing my baby fat, because yeah, I still got a ways to go. But, just trying to stay active and keep myself sane. I'm perfectly fine with like just being in this place of peace where I am right now. Like, my baby is down for a nap. It is almost 3:30 in the afternoon. All I want to do right now is relax in my nursing chair, eat my blueberries, and chill. Just chill. And that's fine. Like, I'm enjoying this life. I really am. I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful.
Me, can't focus on me.